Hello learners, and in the last few lectures, you have learned about different tools used in 3D designing. In this lecture, we shall get introduced to a few more tools. So now I will draw a 3D design. Basically, I will draw it directly, not by extruding. So click a option create here, and then I would select one of the designs, its box, and I would like to select the plane where the base of my 3D design should be. And then yeah, this is base, and the extrude option comes automatically, and you can see that extrude option comes in all the faces, and click enter. And now we shall get introduced to a tool which is rarely used. It's hole, and click one of the faces, and now you can see that a type of tool is created. Let's see, okay, some other, yeah. See, this is generally for hole type, but it is only circular shape, and one advantage of this is a kind of design, a pattern is created inside it. See, you can see a kind of pattern is created. It is not used much of the times, but it is, yeah. And then we shall get introduced to one of the tool. It's very interesting. It is known as sweep. Okay, so sweep. Okay, first of all, I'll draw a circle, and its radius should be center, its center should be origin, and then click enter. And I would like to extrude it little bit. Yeah, it's fine. And now see, if I extrude this, I can extrude it in only one direction, either this or this, not in a curved path. Suppose I want to extrude this in a curved path. Let's draw the curved path. So yeah, this is the curved path. Yeah, this. So it is little bit here, and then here, and little here. So this is my path where this should be extruded. So a option known as sweep, so it is in solids. Click the option sweep and select the face that you want to extrude, and then select the path. Now you can see I can reduce this, so I can make this to infinite, whatever the length I need. So this is something kind of interesting tool. Thank you, and we shall learn about more tools in next lecture.